In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Notion. If you no longer need a workspace and want to remove it completely, Notion gives you a built-in way to do that from the workspace settings. Just keep in mind that deleting a workspace is permanent. So before you go ahead, make sure there isn't any content inside that you still want to keep. To begin, go to your Notion page and make sure you're inside the workspace you want to delete. It's a good idea to double check that you're in the correct workspace before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're on the Notion page, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the workspace dropdown. This is the area that shows the current workspace name. Opening this menu lets you access settings related specifically to that workspace. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage workspace options, permissions, and other account-related details. When the settings panel opens, click on General. The General section contains the core workspace controls, including the option to remove the workspace entirely. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll through the page carefully. Next, find and click Delete Workspace. Because this is a major action, Notion places it in a section that's meant to prevent accidental clicks. When you select it, a confirmation prompt will appear. In that confirmation area, click into the text field and re-enter the workspace name exactly as it appears. This step is important because it confirms that you intentionally want to delete that specific workspace. Make sure the spelling, spacing, and capitalization match if required. After you've entered the workspace name, click Permanently Delete Workspace. This is the final confirmation step, and once you do this, the workspace will be deleted. That's all it takes to delete a workspace in Notion. The main thing to remember is that this process is irreversible, so it's worth pausing for a moment before completing the final step. If there are pages, databases, or documents you may need later, review them before confirming deletion. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to remove the workspace quickly and safely from your Notion account.